Comprehensive Assignment Number 2, Improvement Video Plan, Angie Shiflett, EDU530, William Woods University. Teachers and students have multiple strategies for learning. Teachers and students need to use more complex multiple strategies for learning. The most effective of these strategies are goal setting and planning, self-instruction, and self-evaluation. These strategies provide more critical thinking and monitoring for both the teacher and the student. Multiple strategies. Multiple top strategies promote a more active approach to learning tasks and high levels of engagement with the content. Goal setting and target setting are settings that of educational goals or planning sub-goals and planning for sequencing, timing, and completing activities related to these goals. Self-instruction is like self-talking, to focus attention in the steps needed to complete a task, such as word problems. Self-evaluation allows the students to self-reflect. Checking homework before turning it in to the teacher is an example. Multiple strategies is a plus. It helps students who struggle will need to be taught these multiple strategies. The impact on achievement is gained confidence that the student knows what to do when he or she does not know what to do. This confidence can help students to engage in the process of learning, restate the problem to identify what they know and do not know. They try different strategies, they look for patterns, they build resilience to not knowing, and to use success in learning to reinforce their ownership of their learning. In other words, by using multiple strategies, students gain the confidence to continue their educational needs. College and career ready standards is more rigor and want more want more information. Rigor and relevance framework is an approach looking at the college and career ready standards and the assessments. Teachers and students using multiple strategies for learning are better equipped to meet the needs of rigor and relevance quadrant C and D. Quadrant C and D embraces higher levels of knowledge. Quadrant D allows students to think in complex ways and apply knowledge and skills they have acquired. Multiple strategies provide teachers and students a variety of learning possibilities. Transformational lenses takes a look at the curriculum design and instructional practices. It is the teacher's role to upgrade units to keep students learning to meet the needs of the 21st century. Visible learning element number 42. Teachers create opportunities for both formative and summative interpretations of student learning and use these interpretations to form future decisions about their teaching. Formative interpretations testing that is modified or ongoing through teaching a unit. Summative interpretations are used to sum up a lesson, the ending of a learning unit. One example was developed less as a repository of tests and more as a reporting engine, which made us concentrate on providing worthwhile and dependable interpretations to teachers about who they taught well, what they taught well, their strengths and weaknesses, their effects and progress, and what they could do next to enhance levels of performance and progress. Otherwise, formative assessments are designed by the teacher to check the student's progress throughout the lesson. Teachers and students both benefit because the teacher can monitor the teacher's effect, progress, and success with each student. The students know the teacher's expectations and notions of challenge and progress. Therefore, the rigor and relevance should be in quadrant D. Teachers and students are aware of the progress students are making, which should require high-order thinking skills. Their students should be able to use the concepts to solve complex problems and real-world situations. Transformational strategies is level 2 due to the fact that the teacher is reevaluating his or her teaching or lesson from formative assessments to build the student's achievement of learning. By using formative assessments throughout the teacher's lesson, the teacher can evaluate his or her teaching strategies, what student is gaining what information, and can build the lesson according to these facts. In conclusion, it is important to our students learning in this district that we, as teachers, provide multiple strategies for learning, create opportunities for both formative and summative interpretations, and provide feedback to teachers as well as the students. To gain the 21st century knowledge of our students in this district, it is important that teachers collaborate and help to use multiple strategies to gain the students' knowledge for a bright future.